Everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to AirDrop from Mac to iPhone. So to AirDrop, first of all, you should be sure that the Bluetooth and the AirDrop are activated on your Mac. And also you should activate the AirDrop on your iPhone. And after that, you go and click on the file that you want to AirDrop, right click on it, and after that go and click on share, and after that choose the first option, AirDrop. And as you will see here, you will, like, I need to activate the AirDrop everyone for 10 minutes, and as you can see now my iPhone appeared here and I received this file on AirDrop. As you can see here, it say sent. So you just need to find the device that you want to AirDrop to it from here, and after that, after you complete, you click on done. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.